guys, welcome back to the video. It's me, Tyra, and today I want to show you guys how to make an easy comfort 10-minute soup that you can try for this winter time. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to share with a friend. We're on the road to 10K before the end of the year. Let's get there and let's continue to grow together. This is actually called a taco soup recipe, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all the ingredients that you need. Very simple, and honestly, I think it's only about 7 different ingredients. It's not much, but it's very simple. You can find these ingredients at HEB, Target, Walmart, any place. So let's go ahead and get into it. Also, my sous chef today will be my husband. He will be helping me cook this meal. It's very simple, but if you see someone else, that's who that is in the video. Starting off first, we're gonna use 2 pounds of ground turkey. I do get the 93% lean, 7% fat. I am very health conscious, for the most part, clean eating. So if you want something that's a little bit more clean, this is exactly what you need to get. This is very essential to the recipe because this is going to give it that taco-y taste. These are the McCormick 30% less sodium mild taco seasonings. Again, very health conscious. So if you are like me, you want to get the 30% less sodium. You're going to also need 3 different beans. The first one will be the dark red kidney beans. The next bean that you're going to need is the pinto beans. Very simple. This one is the Bush's brand. The last one that you're going to need is a can of corn. This is just regular fresh corn. After you get all your beans out the way, you do need diced tomatoes, and we're just going to use the Rotel brand. This one is just regular fire roasted diced tomatoes, and we're going to top it off with cheese. This honestly adds the most perfect like meltiness in your mouth on top of that hot taco soup. This is also the 2% milk reduced fat Mexican cheese. We like to use plain Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. Again, that's preference. You can use sour cream, but we like to use yogurt if you want to make it a little bit healthier. Last but not least, this is again preference, but this, it's like you pretty much need this with it if you're gonna make the whole taco soup vibe. These are Fritos. You can use any sort of corn chip that you like, but again, lightly salted. You don't want anything too salty. And I didn't even know they made this one. We actually just found this in a store when we went to HEB. I did not know that they made 50% low sodium Fritos, but now you know. We always cook our soup in a nice pot. This is really a 1-pot recipe, and we turn our pot on high. We are now over the stove, and it's time to start frying the meat. I showed you guys the pan that we're using, but I just realized that we need to actually scoot you guys over to the actual saucer pan. As you can see, we made some progress and the meat is all brown. We're now going to transfer this to the pot. Now it's time to go ahead and strain the canned goods because we don't use any of the juice that comes from the can. After you rinse and drain the beans, now it's time to go ahead and transfer it into the pot. Now it's time to go ahead and add the Rotel into the pot. We like to have our soup a little bit more on the, not watery side, but have some liquid in there to be able to like enjoy. This is also preference, but he's going to go ahead and fill both of these up with water and pour them in the pot. After you add the water, now it's time to go ahead and add the seasoning. Now you want to go ahead and bring everything to a boil and stir everything together. Obviously, use whatever you have. We just have a nice, pretty good spoon to do this. And also make sure that the taco seasoning is being mixed well into the water. If you don't do that, sometimes the taco seasoning can kind of sit on top and not actually like permeate all of the beans, the meat, all the things. So mix pretty well. So what you want to do now is bring everything to a boil. Once it starts to boil, you want to turn the heat down and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Now it's time to finish up with plating and coating as your preference. This part I'm going to do because I just think it's like really fun and pretty. To top it off, you could add this with it. You could put it inside of it or put it on the side and eat it. It's so good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you'll be trying this, and yeah, comment down below for another recipe that you guys might be wanting to try, and I'll see you guys in another video soon. Bye.